poco de psicodelia. What you gonna do tonight, mama? There must be some place you can go. In the middle of the tall drinks on the drama, there must be someone you know. God knows you're looking good enough, but you're so smooth and the world's so rough. There might have something to lose. Oh no, pretty mama, what you gonna do in your shoes? Got those pretty little traps around your ankles. Got those silly little traps around your hands. You got to have your independence, but you don't know what you stand. It's been racing in the singles bars, in order to go in the fancy cars. You get wherever you choose. Oh no, you can do that. What you stand with your shoes. Looking at you, leaning on you, tell you one thing you wanna hear. They give you tablets of life. They waiting for you, got to scold you. Holler with the sun and it's so sincere. Oh, you gotta get low. They just want someone to talk to. They just want to get their hands on you. You get wherever you choose. Oh no, you can do that. But you stand in your shoes. Oh no, you can move that. What you gonna do in those shoes? Wow.